Hi, this is Deepti Nema, founder of QriusAI. At QriusAI, we don't just teach tools like Excel or Power BI. We teach how to think, how to understand the problem, and how to connect with data with real business decisions. Because the reality is, most people learn tools, build dashboards, but still struggle to become a data analyst. Why? Because creating a dashboard is not the real skill. The real skill is understanding the business behind the data. Anyone can create charts, but very few can answer what is happening, why is it happening, and what should be done next. Okay? So, in this series, where we are just showing you how to understand the sales dashboard, we are going to learn how to think like a data analyst. Okay? And how to approach real business problem. How one data set can answer multiple business questions. The series breakdown will be 5 video series, like video 1, understanding the data set. Video 2 will be sales performance analysis. Video 3, geographic expansion insights. Video 4, category and product profitability. Video 5, we will learn the complete dashboard walkthrough. Because in real companies, you won't get tasks like create a dashboard. You will get questions like why are profits slow? Which region should be expand? Which product are actually making money? And if you don't understand this, you will keep learning tools, but you won't grow. Okay, so once you get this, you start thinking differently, you start solving problems, and that's where the real opportunities come. So let's start with the most important step, understanding the data set. Because if you don't understand the data, you can never understand the business. So let's begin.